why don't you see if I can get a coffee?
Oh, yeah.
You smell it?
Yeah.
Gas in it?
Yeah, weird.
Somebody had that last night at the concert where I thought the woman in front of me had like the diaper leak. Like all of a sudden they hit me like a wave.
Really? I didn't smell anything. What did you
Who
smell?
shit themselves? Yeah.
Wow.
Like somebody just gave a nice blew a massive bath with like a half a nugget came out.
I missed that, unfortunately. Darn it. God damn it. It would be wrong to get a milkshake, right? That would be bad.
No, wouldn't it? Okay, what?
I don't know. Decline of Western Civilization is the metal documentary to me. Jackpot party.
Yeah, they're all offline.
Yeah.
All the machines are done sundown. The machines are offline. Well, I will give it a college try.
Okay.
Actually, I don't even think I can play while you're in it.
Why not?
It's only good when I can see.
Oh. Oh.
Exactly.
That's no good for you.
But I don't want to go all the way over to the Atlantis. But we have an 8 o'clock.
It's probably better for you because you're going down to Atlantic City to save your dough.
Yeah, but I want to play. I want to play.
What time? This place isn't even open. What time does the ship leave?
I don't know. This sucks.
Let's see what time this opens. Oh, a selection of our most popular coffees is available on Deck 9 aft.
Yeah, it's not popular coffee. What's this shit?
No, they do have flavored coffees up there too. I think you just have to ask for them. Huh. Dangerous toys. Those are the ones that they have. Or like those flavors.
I don't have a bar. What time is it? The afternoon?
12 o'clock. It's noon. Hi. Dangerous Toys playing. It's a dog a bone. Please and please and roll over, baby, hang up the phone. I'm coming. Ah!
Go, lady.
Coming. Sheesh. I thought I had no mommy left behind.
Sir Kayak! Back in the elevator, looking for some booze.
Of course he is.
Fucking raining.
Deck 9.
I thought you were looking for coffee.
Rains, suck it out. Rains again. Suck it out again.
I thought you were looking for coffee. Look, booze.
Here's the behind it.
I'm standing in the middle of doors, so
What?
I said the doors are going to close on me, but I'll move. Here's a bar. You want a bar? We haven't been over here before.
No, people in the hot
Hot tub. This is the
13 people stopped because of my one Star Wars egg. I thought it was a kids cruise. I'm doing a cruise. Feel the love.